Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The topic of our discussion today about honors first year mathematics of statistics. Okay, so we moved directly to the question, but the topic and the first type is today is currency or coins. Which will have two parts, heads and tail. Everybody know it well, right now. Okay. So directly to the question. But this condition of fair coin, right? This condition a fair coin. A fair coin or currency. A fair coin is tossed. Is tossed 3 times. Right? A fair coin is tossed 3 times, and now the question is number 1. Okay. The probability of getting one heads, right? All heads. This first question is the probability of getting all heads, right? So the second question is the probability of getting a tail. So the question, there are two questions, is very easy, right? Okay. So first question solved. The probability of getting all heads right now. So you just think that a fair coin is tossed 3 times right now. Now the question is first question one head, right? And second question are tail. Similar case. This case is similar. 3 times system and true result. The first case of all heads and second case is a tail. Okay. So first question. If a coin the 3 times when throw, the figure will be just, I think that okay. But just you think that this figure is always fixed when the 3 times, when through the 3 times. Okay, this figure is always fixed when through the 3 times. Okay, so this firstly S, secondly head, thirdly tail. And now ace, head, tail, head, and tail. One thing to remember that, and I say, and more remember that this figure is always fixed when a fair coin throw the 3 times. Okay, and I say again, this figure is always fixed. Okay, and multiplication crosswise. This multiplication is crosswise. Hate, 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 tell, hate, tell, hate, and hate, hate, tell, tell. Then tell, hate, hate, tell, hate, hate, tell, hate, tell, 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 hate. And fourthly, tell, tell, tell. But the first question is asked the probability of getting all heads, and these components of sample fields, these components of sample fields, these components of sample field n of s, this n of s equal 8. Why? This number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the total number, right? Okay. These components of sample fields n of s equal 8. Okay. And we get all heads. This component is here. All heads. This here, right? And I say again, all heads. These components of all heads in the one position. This is here, right? S, all heads. This is the one position. Okay, and we get wall heads. This is R. Okay, one heads are this one. Okay, and now this the probability all heads. The probability of all heads, these components. Okay, so right now the probability of getting all heads, so P of A, right? And we get all heads, this is A of 1, right? So the probability getting all heads P of A equal, we know that n of A divided by n of S, right? This component of sample field or sample area, this is here. All heads this one position, right? All heads this one position. S, all heads. Okay. So we know that the probability getting all heads, the P of A, and n of A divided by n of S, and this is n of A. This is n of A is equal 1. 1 divided by n of S. This is 8. This is the correct answer. This question, right? Okay. And now the second question, the probability of getting RT, right? Just you think that the probability of getting RT, okay. So our tail, what is a tail? These components this look like, and we find out that these components are one tail, right? Our tail, okay. Our tail, these are tail, these are tail, these are tail, okay. 1, 2, 3. These components of sample field or sample area is here. One tail is now is 3 position, right? On, and the 3 position, one tail, okay. And this second question is the answer. We get a tail of components right now, okay. This b equal 3, this number of b equal 3. The probability of getting a tail, just think that the probability of getting a tail. So the probability of getting a tail, the second question, the probability of getting a tail. So the probability of this b right now, why the number of b, and we get the probability of getting a tail. This system number of b is equal 3. So everybody know it well right now. Probability of b, n of b divided by n of s. This is equal probability of b, n of b, right? N of b is, this is equal 3 divided by n of s. This is equal total components of this field, right? This is 8. This is the answer. Just you think that the probability of getting, and now a fair coin is tossed 3 times, right? 3 times. And now the first question, the probability of getting a wall hits, and the second question, our tail, whole components of sample space, okay. So we find out just now wall has this on position, okay, and our tail is the 3 position, okay. 1, 2, 3, okay. So that's all our answer here, okay. Assalamu alaikum.